So this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna get in here today to declutter. This is my husband's side, his garage. So I'm gonna see what, at least declutter 2 bins full of stuff I can get rid of. So let's get to it. So the very first thing we're gonna do is just take some containers out of here and look through them. First we're gonna get rid of this box. Oh look, there's a ghosty. Yes, it's cute. But it's gonna go. Get me these containers up here, Michael, please. My son's helping me today. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this ghosty, even though I love it. You gotta go. Yes, so beautiful, but you gotta go. Probably gonna get rid of Lewis. Is this Lewis? I didn't even use him. Yeah, it's Hide and Eat collection from Target. Or do you want to keep him? What do you think? Maybe we could use it this year and then get rid of it. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this. Oh, this is a cute one, but it's gonna go. Oh, Hello Kitty.
She's sidestepping.
Yeah, these are gonna be sold. I never used them, so if you're interested, let me know.
They're cute.
They're cute, huh? Should we use them this year?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put those. We'll go on. Put those in the container, and then these are going to be sold. So out they go.
You told me to put this back.
Yeah, we're going to put these that I'm getting. So this is the stuff that we're getting rid of. Some of this stuff is new. It's got to go. Bring this container down, please, Mike. Oh, how cute. Stickers, but we're going to get rid of them. These are all so cute.
Hide and eek.
You don't want these, do you?
Hide and eek.
No, okay, off they go. Actually, napkins.
Do you think we could?
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Even these are gonna go. Got some Scentsy candles there. I'm probably gonna get rid of these too. They're so beautiful, but I've used them already, so off they go. Yes, this is cute. I buy the thrift shop, but it's gonna go. All this is gonna go. Put it over. All this is gonna go. This is gonna go. So these I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna get rid of all this. I'm getting rid of this cloth. Oh, remember these were from $1.99, I think. I don't know, but they're gonna go. These are gonna go. Skulls and ghosties. These are gonna go. All these were cute from the Dollar Tree. They're gonna go. Getting rid of these. They're new, but they're gonna go. All my Hello Kitty is gonna be sold. So if you're interested, let me know. It's a cute bottle, but it's gonna go. There's some fingers in there. Look at these fingers. I give you the middle finger, Michael. It's what? The Queen's fingers. Yeah, we're gonna give her the middle finger. Okay, let's see. We're gonna get rid of these pumpkins here. I'm also selling this Hello Kitty. Ooh, spooky. Spooky. These are cute. I kind of don't want to get rid of these. I might put this outdoors. Thank you, Michael. I'm even getting rid of this ghosty, which is new. It's cute. I'm even getting rid of this cute little ghost. I'm getting rid of this. Not using ribbon. Getting rid of these. I don't know if another day of decluttering. I know this is gonna hurt. This container is gonna hurt me to get rid of stuff. Oh, these are nasty. These are gonna go. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are gonna use now. Probably. Ooh, here, throw these away. Oh, these look so good, right? To eat. I'm getting rid of them. Oh, I remember using these last year. They're so pretty. Ooh. Oh, the ghosties are adorbs, right? Oh. I'm gonna get rid of this ghosty garland that I never used. I bought this last year. I believe it was $5.49. Yep, from the thrift shop. And look at these from Target. I'm getting rid of all these. They're little syringes. How cute. Okay, so that's gonna go. I might keep these. I'm talking to myself again. This is a cool tree. Oh, I think I just discombobbled it. I love witches, but I'm gonna get rid of this witch. She cute, right? Yeah, I'm getting rid of her.
She looks good.
Yeah, it's time for the witchies to go. They're so beautiful though, right? Look at this one. Tell them. She's cute, but she's gonna go too. This one is a cracked glass faux dupe. That's gonna go. Getting rid of this. I don't know what this is. These trees, ghosties, and tablecloth of spiders gonna go. I don't like spiders. Bless this home. This is cute. I might sell this one. The lights are always good to use. Oh, look at this nice cauldron. It's really nice. It was from Ross. 18 bucks. It is a little scuffed up, but I may end up selling it. Give it to me. Please don't delay stuff. The St. Patrick's. I'm gonna go. So today we're gonna start with this. Oh, it's Mickey and Minnie. Okay. These are cute, but I'm gonna sell these. If you guys are interested in Mickey and Minnie, let me know. And look, they're brand new. So another day in the dungeon. We're gonna see what's in here. I think I have glass stuff in here. Oh, these are so pretty, but so dusty. These were so pretty from, I was gonna use them for Alice in Wonderland, but there's only 3, so I'm gonna get rid of them. It's a cute Christmas tree. It's cute, but it's gonna go. It's pretty. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's like a year ago, but it's gonna go. Another day in the dungeon, so we're gonna get rid of hopefully some stuff from here. I already have some glassware down there, and I don't know what I have. Oh, sand and shells. You want? No.
We're gonna have to get rid of it anyway.
Here, some kind of bow. I think that was the. Oh, look! I've been looking for something like this to put my phone in, and I had a new one here. I'm gonna use that. Oh, I had 2 apparently. I must have given Miss Rita my good one instead of those. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the hats, the Christmas hats. I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's beautiful, cracked glass, but it's gonna go. I'm gonna get rid of these. This is cute ornament, but it's gonna go. I'm gonna get rid of Beetlejuice. I'm gonna get rid of these. They're beautiful, but they're gotta go. This one's gonna go, but I'm gonna keep the actual beaded garland. Here's some change. Keep the change, you filthy animal, Michael, for helping me.
No more disco.
Okay. Can you put it over there? I want to. Give me this. Give me this.
Disco is done.
Give it to me. Okay. Can you put that one down there, please? Here, keep the change, you filthy animal. Oh, this one's cute, but I'm going to get rid of it. Here we go. I'm going to get rid of all this. Yeah. Candle, vanilla, birch. This is Bath and Body Works. Okay, this cloche we're going to get rid of. Some mittens, get rid of those. And these are a whole bunch of tops. So I'm gonna get rid of these. Even crystal I'm getting rid of. My Michael made this, the one that's helping me right now, so I'm definitely not gonna get rid of this. I know it's too much. Now we're gonna look at this box to declutter. These are cute florals, but they're gonna go. They're gonna go. St. Patrick's book is gonna go. He's gonna stay because I really do like him. I'm done doing dish towels with different seasons, so that's gonna go. This one's gonna go. The greenery. This looks like all St. Patrick's. This is a cute lucky mug. It's already done, but it's gonna go. I know it's too hot to be doing this, puppy. I'm sorry. This is a Daisy Fuentes quilt or something. I'm gonna get rid of it. You don't need the key. What for? We only took out 2 boxes?
Yeah.
That's not nice.
Put everything back in.
Oh no, it's 2 boxes and a half, a bag.